Popular reggae singer Jah Cure remanded in custody when he appeared in court yesterday over stabbing incident. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Popular recording artist Jah Cure will continue serving his 6-year sentence for attempted manslaughter in Netherlands, a judge ruled yesterday. The singer appeared in court for a pro forma hearing. He was scheduled to return to court on January 24, 2023. Yesterday there was a pro forma hearing. There was no news at this point. The suspect in detention, Tesha E's press officer at the Public Prosecution Office to the Court of Appeals in Netherlands, told reporters. According to Dutch law, inmates have to attend a pro forma hearing while awaiting a court date for the actual trial. Therefore, a judge has to decide about the incarceration, whether to keep the suspect incarcerated or not, every 90 days. In March of this year, Jah Cure, who is aged 43 years old, real name Signature Alclock, was acquitted of attempted murder charge but convicted of a lesser offense of attempted manslaughter. The charge stemmed from a stabbing incident. Jah Cure reportedly stabbed a promoter over unpaid money in October 2021. Following the sentence, Dutch prosecutors appealed to the court against the acquittal of the attempted murder charge. There is still no hearing date scheduled yet for a new trial, so Jah Cure could find himself with a longer prison sentence if prosecutors have their way. In the meantime, he is sitting in limbo. Jah Cure is no stranger to the criminal justice system, as he had several brushes with the law before. He was convicted of rape and illegal possession of firearm in April 1999 and served an 8-year of a 15-year prison sentence. He was released in 2007. The international recording artist Jah Cure is known for hit songs such as Longing For in 2005 and True Reflection Prison Walls. His album in 2015, The Cure, which included songs such as That Girl, Rasta, and The Life We Live, earned him a Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album in that year. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.